Hello everyone, this is Barkat Khan, founder of Mr. Khan Digital, which is a top website development, digital marketing, and AI automation agency in Bangalore, India. So, in this video, I'm going to cover how you can install WordPress on your Hostinger account. So, first of all, what we need to do is you'll get a dashboard once you purchase a hosting. If you have not yet purchased, the link is in my description. You can go and purchase the hosting from there according to your business needs. So once you purchase and you come to the dashboard, you'll see all these tabs. So what you need to do is you need to come to websites, website list. You'll see WordPress starter in your website list. You need to, if you don't have any website yet connected, so you need to click add website. Then you need to select WordPress. So here you need to enter your WordPress email and a password to log in. Then you need to click next. You can set a password like ABC at 123, for example. Make sure your password is strong and it's matching all the criteria. Let me copy this. Here it suggests you can create uh, a pre-built template of the website. You can select it from here, or you can also create a blank site. So I'll select a theme instead, or I'll go with a blank site. Here you need to enter your domain which you need to connect. Let me take an example of google.com. Let me try with, you can select your domain which you might have in GoDaddy or Namecheap or any other platform. You can click next. So you can see your WordPress is getting installed, and make sure wherever your domain name is, you change the name servers in the domain to Hostinger name servers. You can go to Google and search for Hostinger name servers India. You'll see these two name servers. You should replace it your own name servers with this two. Make sure once WordPress is installed, you change the name servers, or so that the domain will get connected to Hostinger and your website will start running. So thank you so much. That's all for now in this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.